Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. I've got a treat for you. We're going to see a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath at the Hanover Autry Park. This is a beautiful new high-rise that is just ready to go, ready for you to see. We're going to see, in this case, the O floor plan. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1552 square feet, and we're going to walk in. So let's walk in and see what it's like. So right away, we walk in and wow, this is a stunner. I love this. I can't wait for you to see this. Here is a guest bathroom that's here. This is really, really pretty. You see this? Oh, it's just gorgeous. Love it. We're actually just going to walk through and see what the guest bedroom looks like. So here's the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is very, very delightful. This is a king size bed, so you've got plenty of space there. This is really nice too. Some of our clients love it when the closet is not connected to the bathroom. Well, this is that floor plan. It's not going to be connected because the bathroom is over there. So very, very nice feature. I love it. I believe the washer and dryer is going to be in here. Yep, washer dryer is all set and connected. And now let's walk into this stunning, gorgeous living room. Look at this. It's just a delight. I'm going to describe a little bit, but I'm going to try to keep this mostly to just video. There's a nice work from home area, and now look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Look at these spectacular views of the park. So you can just run right over there. You can see it anytime. Isn't this beautiful? You've got so much room here. And look at this kitchen. A lot of room over there. You don't even really need a table, but you can certainly bring an extra table. And then you've got plenty of space here. Isn't this just lovely? These windows are just amazing. And then in here, in this floor plan, this is yet another different finish out. This has some really light white cabinets, just stunning. And these appliances are so superior. I love them. They're beautiful. And then here is the gorgeous backsplash that is, it's different too. It's just very beautiful. Do you see that style? This is a dark gray countertops, and these are really, really pretty. And look at these huge drawers. I've got to open one. I want to see what happens. So yeah, I'm thinking it's the soft close. You see how it kind of pulls in automatically? I love it. And then look at these cabinets. Oh, these cabinets are so fun. This is definitely a chef's style kitchen to me. A good room to prepare over here, and then to display and to serve, of course. Very, very nice. And there's a beautiful bar area there as well. Oh, I love this. This is just amazing. Let's walk into the master bedroom and let's see it. This is very nice. It's very generous in the size. There's plenty of room for your king bed if you'd like. You've got a beautiful floor-to-ceiling window there, so you've got kind of a downtown style experience, but you don't need to be in town. You're all here. You're all ready to go in the Autry Park area. It's just simply gorgeous. And look at these views. Isn't this great? Just beautiful. So now, hey, let's walk in and let's see the bathroom. The bathroom, oh, so gorgeous. I love this light cabinetry. And then you've got your dual sinks here. Beautiful, beautiful mirror and lighting. And then you've got this is a very long bath. This is one of the longest I've seen. Very, very long. I can tell. I love the shower that it has that as well. And then here's your closet. So the closet's just gorgeous. Plenty of room to store in here. This is really nice. This is sumptuous. I like choosing different words to describe because this is sumptuous. This is for a real estate broker such as myself. I love it when things just are very impressive and exceed expectations, and this certainly does. Isn't this lovely? Hey, I want you to reach out to us at uptown101houston.com/search. uptown101houston.com/search. Reach out to us because what we can do is we can answer a lot of questions that you might have about the Hanover Autry Park, And we can tell you more about this residence. We can tell you more about the different floor plans that might work for you. We can also send you our additional videos. We're filming about 14 videos of this residence, so I think you would absolutely love seeing these, including the amenities. We'll compare this to other high-rise and other apartments that are in the area, and we do all this for free, just to make life easy for you. We're very good also at doing things remotely. So if you're from another country, you need some local expertise to be able to guide you to find your place. And that's what we do, and it's always 100% free. So reach out to us. Can't wait to hear from you. uptown101houston.com/search. And you can text me directly if you like at 214-492-9791, and look forward to hearing from you soon.